Well guys, day 48, morning of day 48. Hell of a lightning storm out here. Woo, look at that. Beautiful. See, that's over there on land. We're just on the right on the El Salvador Guadalajara border right now. Look at that. Beautiful. Wow. That's so cool. Hope it stays over there on land. It's a big lightning show. There's a hell of a storm going on right now. You say you got about 20-30 knots hitting you on the starboard side.
Yeah.
Lightning just popping everywhere. Pop. The good news is the wind's blowing hard, but the conditions haven't picked up to it yet. Stabilizers are doing good. Nothing you can really do except hold on and just keep an eye out. I just had a ship pass me on the port side. You see them there?
Yeah.
Up here on the... So I'm looking at the wind. This is about where we stop, right in here. So we're in the heart of it right now. It'll start clearing out about 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. The wind will start to die down a little bit, and conditions will get a little bit better early tomorrow morning. Wow, after last night, that storm, and then this morning, look at that, how beautiful that is. About 5:30 in the morning, just absolutely stunning. Sea conditions have calmed from last night. Beautiful. It doesn't even look real. I'm gonna go, that sun's starting to come up. I'm gonna go down and check our engine room, do an engine room inspection. What do you call this, our 6 a.m. engine room inspection. That. So Dreamer and Hope are both running perfect as far as their temperature goes. Just check them both. Beautiful sun. Everything's really good, Lee. 160 on Dreamer, and Hope was 157. Did you get some rain? Did Pete get some rain?
He did, I did.
Nice.
I woke up to this.
It's beautiful. You got a perfect seat, which is, I thought it was going to be about 7 a.m. that we get some really nice conditions. I'll get you some internet here in a little while. We can really look at everything. Got caught up in this fishing line. We got the owner coming over. Looks like this is the guy that must be his fishing line. He's coming over here, and we're gonna try and get untangled from it.
So we got a knife.
He's giving you one. He's handing you one. He's gonna hand you a knife. And shutting the boat down right away helped us. It kept the pop clean.
It did.
Now these guys are good because they'll just tie their line back together and everything worked out okay. They were super, super nice about it. It could have been, had we kept going and got that thing tangled in the prop, we'd have been in a lot of trouble.
It is really clear down there.
Oh, is it?
Oh, is it?
Whew, I can't see the bottom, but
How's everything look under the boat?
great.
Nice. All right, I'm gonna put in gear and get going, guys. Okay? Are you gonna?
Let's go.
Fish on, baby. You got in a keeper. You fixed that reel. It helped, didn't it?
Oh yeah. It wasn't working before.
Have you seen anything jump yet?
No. He's right there though. He's about 60 feet off the back.
I need a pair of pliers, boys. Okay, I'm gonna get us going again.
Talk to me, Goose.
Need to catch an eater.
I'm ready for a fish taco.
That's me too. Like the ones you did first in the Bahamas.
Yeah.
Those were
I remember
amazing.
right now. Yeah,
Remember?
yeah.
See if this looks awful good.
Well,
Are your bowls? Or we had? What did we have?
we had bowls, me and
Chad.
you guys are having
quesadillas. Nice. Really calm this morning. Now it's starting to pick up a little bit. Too bad. It's cool catching our fish this morning. Wasn't an eater, but had lunch. So Pete's now. What we did is we lost all of our line off that pole when we caught that big fish. So now we're trying to split the line between the two reels so we get two poles back in the water, or have two working poles. Gee, we're about 52 miles out.
Nice.
You gonna take over for a little while?
Or Chad go down, big break.
Yeah, I think he did. I think both of them did. They did too.
No, he's in the back.
Oh, he's laying on that. Yeah, just keep an eye out. There really isn't nothing here. That's shore on your starboard. Just keep an eye on your water depth is what I really want you to keep looking up here at your water depth. Make sure everything.
That's just what it should.
Yeah.
Let me go to the bathroom real quick.
Okay. Right on that Guatemala Chapos border right now. It's been a pretty nice day.
Yeah.
Weather picked up a little. Sun's getting ready to set. We got about 2 hours, a little over 2 hours left to the marina. It's like about 9 o'clock arrival, 25 miles. We will get there in the dark. Everything worked pretty well today. There's no issues.
Great game.
Yeah, it really was. Caught a fish. Skipjack. Had to throw it back. We got tangled up in some fishermen's lines. That was interesting because you just don't know what you don't know, you know, and like pulling, I saw the line and I'm going, oh my God, and I pulled back on the throttle and then I put it in neutral and I think it saved it because then we were able to just, and then putting those shaft savers on there too. I think that helped cut, everything helped. And then the fishermen were very grateful. We went down, we dove down, we didn't just rip their gear apart. We went down, cut it out, and then handed them back their lines, and they were able to tie them back together and keep on fishing.
We said sorry.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. And I mean, there's nothing we could see. I couldn't see nothing until you got right to them.
I didn't do the steak tonight.
There goes the sun out our dirty windows, boys. Chief's cooking us, he's cooking us omelets tonight.
Yep. World famous sea omelets. We just reduced. Everybody's rationing. Everybody wants 2 egg omelets tonight.
Nice.
Which is fine. That's all I'm having too.
So you can see right here, we're right on the border of Guadalajara, and that's Chapos right there, right on that edge, and that's where we're heading in. So Chad's just fresh water rinsing our windows, getting the salt off so we can see better at night here. Well, it looks like we're going to be entering into Chapos in pitch blackness. Got a little bit of lightning to help out a little bit. You can see we're getting close. We're about 2.5 miles out. I get the guys out there with the lights here at about 2 miles. Ooh. Really hard to see anything, but I'm just going to follow my line and gonna get it lined up with the chart here. Take it in. I got both charts going on here. So once I get lined up on it, then I'm just gonna follow it straight in. We got Lee and Pete both out there working spotlights. Got a pretty good swell coming in here. See the channel start to line up with the channel. The swell got us, and it was really it was just big. It was huge, and the boat just came in and took all 4 of us to come in here. Chief, was that a little intense?
We couldn't film.
Just felt a little bit of that. Give me a distance. 10 feet, Captain. Second line's on. That was a big boy docking right there.
It's a big boy bringing into port.
There's a lot going on there. Dude, that one swell caught us. You should have been driving the boat.
I looked over at 8, and there's this huge wall of water.
Yeah.
I was like, oh
my God. Yeah, it was. You should have been driving. It was crazy. Chief. Guys, end of day 48. That was pretty intense, bringing it into this marina here to Chapos here. But what happened is that swell got us, and it just picked the boat up, slammed it down. Oh, it was pretty intense. It was like it happened to us twice coming into the little entrance there. It's pitch black. And then when we got here, they tied us off and said, hey, you got some officials coming out to the boat. I'm saying, what? Anyway, you saw a little video there of we had like probably 5 of them on the boat, And they brought dogs out and ran dogs all the way through the boat too. So it's a lot going on in a very short period of time. Anyway, peace out. Make sure you guys hit that like. Make sure you hit that subscribe. Make sure you sharing the video with your friends. Sharing the video on your Facebook page. Sharing the on your Instagram, whatever you got. Anyway, we appreciate it so much. Thank you guys. Peace out, and we'll see you tomorrow's another day.